The noise of the TV, or the movie, or the music fill most residences. The people that live in these houses are hearing noise all the time. A lot of these people are proclaimed Christians, and they wonder why they cannot hear Jesus. People will come over to my house and they will say, "It seems way too quiet. I got rid of my TV, and I don't listen to music in my free time because I make my ears available for Jesus." Those who are hearing from Jesus have dedicated their ears to listening to the King every day and every night. They don't amuse themselves with movies and TV. They choose to dedicate themselves to seek Jesus with all their hearts. They are dedicated to hearing from the Lord. So if the noise in your house is your TV and movies and music, how do you think that you're going to hear the voice of the Lord Jesus? May the grace of Jesus be with you.